theme yourself?
Art. Remember what made you human. Nature is talking to us. Nature is trying to speak.
It's my world, right? It's my city, Mumbai. It's all my artisans, my entire atelier. And these are all the signatures, actually. Yeah, you know, so I think on a carpet like this, which is so grand and the best, we need to honor all of the artisans who work backstage.
Kyla.
Look, this is an homage to Tom of Finland, who was a sketch artist from the 70s and a very famous gay drawer, you know, and we were influenced, and then we approached Palomo in Spain to design the outfit, and they do leather so well, and this is the result. So.
No, yo me siento increíble, yo me siento feliz de estar acá, me siento tranquilo, no sé, como que después de haber venido 4 veces a la Gala, uno se le empieza a disfrutar cada vez más y más, entonces ya se siente uno más familiar, pero yo me siento feliz, agradecido con Tom Ford, constantemente. Diseñó este traje para mí, no me lo puedo creer.
How you doing, brother? Yes.
So far for your 13. Tell me what it's like being here tonight.
Well, it's a day off finally, so I'm very grateful to be out and to have the space now that we're up and running, and I'm loving being immersed in work and being in the city and communing with people nightly. It's really been special, so it's fun to get to hang out a bit. I really should, lay low. It's a nice date night, right? Oh, she's amazing. She's beyond fashion. She has impeccable taste.
Talk about your incredible courage.
I've been dealt a pretty bad hand, but Tom made me feel amazing tonight, and I'm so thankful to be here and to not be on crutches.
Is it hard walking up the steps?
Both because the dress is very tight, but no, I didn't practice the stairs, but I think I'm doing a pretty good job. The walking is okay.
Performance, man. Tell me a little bit about what's like being here and getting to perform on the steps of Gala.
Incredible to open it up, to be able to like dance and sing and do what I love to do. As a recording artist, feels really special. Anna Wintour emailed me and she was like, "Can you do me a favor?" And I said, "Sure."